welcome to my channel. This is Backyard Gardening with Davey. Just a little bit about myself. I am backyard gardening. I decided in May of 2021 that I wanted to start a garden, and I did it. I started off with a whole bunch of things. I didn't just test out my luck and see if I had a green thumb. I just ran with it. I got a lot of seedlings, planted them. I started some things from seed, and even though I had a few challenges within my garden, it's really thriving and flourishing now. So today's video is going to be about my zucchini squash plant. I'm going to go over the difference between a male flower and a female flower, and then I am going to attempt to pollinate the female flower by hand, because I did have a zucchini, a female zucchini come up just a few days ago, and I thought that it would be pollinated by the bees, but it didn't, and it died off. So I'm out here a little bit late this morning. I'm usually out here about 6:30, 7 o'clock when my male flowers first open, and they are open wide. Right now they're about to close up, so I'm going to attempt to pollinate this female zucchini, and hopefully we'll get some fruit out of this plant. Alright, so as you can see, my flower was open, but it is closing up, and we are going to attempt to pollinate the female. This here is the male flower. It has a long stem with a flower attached, and if we open it up, let's see if we can get it open wide enough for you guys to see. It has this here, which is the male flower sex organ, also known as the stamen, and it has the pollen all around it. And then you come down here and you have a female flower, which has the fruit attached to it. You can see the zucchini here, and then inside of it you see the pistillus, which is very different from the male flower. That is the female flower sex organ, which has the ovaries and everything attached. So as I was talking to you before, this was my previous one that came up, but it obviously did not get pollinated. So we want to make sure that this one here gets pollinated so that I can enjoy some of this fruit before the season ends here in Maryland, which is where I am, Zone 7, Maryland, and I definitely want to be able to enjoy the fruit. So next up, we're going to go ahead and try to hand pollinate. All right, so what I'm going to do is just pluck that off. I'm going to just remove the petals from it, from around the male, so we can expose the male sex organ. Okay, so I'm just going to take the stamen and go around the pistil, like brush it on, kind of like a paintbrush, all around it, so we can make sure we get the pollen on it. And yeah, it's that simple on how to hand pollinate your zucchinis, cucumbers, and other flowers by hand. I really hope that you guys like this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to hand pollinate, and also giving you the difference between the male and the female flower on my zucchini squash plant, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more. Peace out.